Hi everyone, I welcome all the viewers to our Indian Hair channel. My name is Pawan and in this video, today I will show you a table. Yes, a table full of hair weaves. So this is a beautiful table of weaves and we have various sizes available, and you can see over here, this is a blonde and this is black. So I'll pick the random pieces from this table of weaves. I'll take this straight first. This is natural black Indian hair, and this is natural style, natural straight style. And you can see the weft over here. This is very sleek and very beautiful weft with no tangles. You can see? There's no tangles and very dense, very healthy bottoms we have. So I'll check one of the piece and show you. Just stay tuned. So there are some wavy pieces. I'll take some blonde, and this is we have. I think this one. This is wavy. This is a natural wavy. You can see this is natural wavy with the same machine made weft, and the weight is 100 grams again. So you can see this is tangle free, very beautiful blonde. In coloring, you will find this color as 613. So this is 613 basically, and blonde, machine made weft. Okay, so there's some closes on the table. I'll show you one black wavy and one straight and blonde. So first I open the black one. This is Swiss lace we have used in this one. So this is, you can see, it's very nice lace and very nicely manufactured. There's no short hairs in the back, and this is natural wavy black, natural wavy Indian hair. You can see here, there's no tangles. It's beautifully natural wavy. So now I'll show you one blonde. This is natural straight blonde, 20 size in length, and the weight varies from 30 to 35 grams in closes. So this is straight. It's beautiful straight, you know. This is Swiss lace again. You can see, very nice lace, and there's no short hairs in the back. Completely, and again the weight is 30-35 grams. Okay, so this weaves we are sending to yours and we are packing up. Everything is going on. This weaves and front closures of sizes between 16 to 32 size. So these are some closes over here. We are packing it. You can write to us through email, WhatsApp, and can comment in the comment section. And please do like and subscribe our channel to get more updates about Indian hair. Thank you very much.